Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to delete, permanently delete, and restore articles in bulk in a BoldDesk knowledge base. The bulk features in BoldDesk's knowledge bases significantly reduce the time and effort you need to spend when restoring or permanently deleting a large number of articles. First, I'll show you how to bulk delete articles. I log into the agent portal as an agent and navigate to the KB module. I can use the Select All option to mark all the articles on the list or select specific articles to delete. Then, I click Delete. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Note that, when the primary articles are deleted, all their translated versions are automatically deleted, too. When you delete a translated article, a confirmation dialog will open with the option to delete the article in all languages. Uncheck the option to keep articles in other languages and click Delete. The articles are moved to the Deleted Articles section. Next, I'll show you how to delete articles permanently in bulk. In the Knowledge Base module, I navigate to the Deleted Articles section. A page will open with a list of articles that have been deleted for the selected language. I can use the Select All option to mark all the articles on that list or select specific articles to permanently delete. Then, I click the Delete Forever option to permanently delete the selected articles. Note that, when primary articles are deleted permanently, all their translated articles will also be permanently deleted. Deleting translated articles permanently will once again prompt a confirmation dialog box with the choice to delete the articles in all languages. If you wish to retain articles in other languages, uncheck the option and then click Delete Forever. You can also restore deleted articles using the Restore option. The articles are restored and taken back to their previous locations. The restoration of translated articles will result in the automatic restoration of their deleted primary articles. Restoring a primary article will cause a confirmation dialog box to appear, offering the option to restore the article in all languages. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.